Hello, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing wonderful. So today we are back in the kitchen again. Thank you once more for always supporting, watching, sharing, liking our videos. We really do appreciate you guys again. Love you guys so much. So today we're gonna be making something delicious. I'm not sure how many of you guys knows about cassava leaf, like the cassava leaves. Yeah, so we're gonna make some delicious cassava leaves today, okay? So in here I have my cassava leaf that is already washed. It was already grounded when I got it from the store, so I had to like ready wash it thoroughly. But we'll go into all that later on. So I'm just gonna introduce you to our ingredients real quick. So in here it is our protein, meat, everything in here, and it was pre-cooked in our slow cooker. Yeah, so we have our stockfish, which we're gonna put some warm water in, get all that settled later on. We got some locust beans. Yes, guys, locust beans and cassava leaves. Garlic, fresh garlic, a little piece of ginger, one shrimp Maggi. In there we have our shrimp right there, crawfish powder. Lots of habanero pepper because you want a lot of pepper in your soup. We got onions, fresh onions, and in here back there we got all our seasoning, our Goya adobo, and seasoned salt, black pepper, poultry seasoning, and garlic seasoning. This is the our peanut butter to go in our cassava leaf. You cannot cook peanut butter without adding, a cassava leaf without adding peanut butter. So this is our peanut butter. And guys, if you want your cassava leaves to be really smooth and nice and delicious, make sure whenever you have to get your peanut butter, you have to get the creamy peanut butter. You don't want the crunchy one because it will just be all knotted up, and even if you try to blend it or crush it or whatever, it's still not going to be creamy as this. So to save you a lot of time and to get a better taste, always try to get creamy peanut butter, and it can be whatever brand. See, I got Great Value. Yeah, so it can be whatever brand of your choice to put in your cassava leaf. So always make sure you get the creamy one. So yep, guys, so this is our ingredients we're going to be using. So let's get the ball rolling. So for the first time, we're going to be using a very big pot, because one thing about cassava leaf, whenever you're cooking it just pops out everywhere, like so we don't want to make too much mess. So I'm just going to use this big old pot, so that way, if we have to boil and so much, like whatever, it will just everything just going to be right in there. Okay, so now we got our cassava leaf in our pot, so we're just going to go ahead and let that steam, and then we'll go ahead and put in our ingredients. Okay. So this right here, basically we're going to put in our pepper mixture. You got your ginger, your pepper, and your onions chopped up. So we're just going to put that over our cassava leaf. Okay? And then we'll go ahead and add this is from our cassava leaf and the remaining pepper stock that I just rinsed out. So I'm just going to put that water in there. Okay. I will go ahead and put a little bit of seasoning salt in there. Okay? I'm going to add our seasoning. Because you want it to already, if you want your seasoning to already catch your food, you also season it while it steams. That way, put your seasoning. That way you get all your seasoning in there before you actually put water in there for it to boil. That's the secret. That way you don't have to use too much seasoning and too much, Maggi and stuff like that. Put a little bit of black pepper as well, just for the taste. And in here we'll go ahead and put in our shrimp Maggi. In there. We'll go ahead and do our locust beans. Guys, if you don't eat locust beans, guys, you are missing out. Try this. It's ready to go almost all your meals. Yeah, I gotta put this one string in there. There you go. So now we're gonna go ahead and give it a good mix. You can see it's changing. It was ready green, like army green. And now it's just kind of getting a little brownish to tell you that it's cooking. So we'll let that, yeah, let it steam for a little bit more. So guys, while our food steam, we'll go ahead and put some ready hot water on our stockfish. See how hot that water is. Yeah. So we'll let that soak. Okay guys, so we'll go ahead and add our meat stock. So bring that to a boil, okay? We'll add some more. Yeah. Get rid of this there. We'll cover that up and let it boil for about 7 to 12 minutes, okay? I'm gonna do that off camera so I don't keep you guys waiting. So we'll be back in 10 to 12 minutes, guys. Guys, we're going to open our cassava lid. See, it's been actually boiling. So go ahead and give it a stir. See, it's getting ready soft. Ooh. Since our stockfish is really hard to get soft, so we'll just go ahead and put it into the kind of bowl with our cassava lid. So by the time it's ready and we put our ingredient in there, it's just going to be way softer, okay? Put everything in there. So stir that with it. This is when I drop in few pepper paws for those of, you know, like us that don't eat pepper. That way, if there's, you know, if you need more pepper in your food, you can just kind of crush that, but it will be already cooked. So that's just some extra pepper for extra, you know. So guys, this is the part where we put in our peanut butter. As you can see, I have a spoon in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put in a few spoons. And it's up to you how much, you know, peanut butter you want to use, okay? So I put 2 in there. I'm gonna put more peanut butter in there because that will give it the flavor. So I put 3. Why not make that 4? That's also gonna give it a taste. So go ahead and mix that up. Oh my. Who have ever tried cassava leaf before? This is actually like a Liberian dish. We cook this a lot. Oh boy. If you love peanut butter, you can just imagine. So let that cover it a little, boys. You see it around. So guys, let's see. Go ahead and add our shrimp powder. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and put our meat in there. Putting our oil now, guys. And it's up to you. guys, wake up that. Yeah, guys, we'll let that boil for a little bit, and when the oil sits,